Once again, welcome to our channel Life Insights. This time our question is on authority. Why do people want to become authoritative? Not only people, so many governments in the past or also in the present have become authoritative. Why this is so? When self-knowledge is absent, people tend to become authoritative. We are the part of the existence. Existence is infinite. We have a small part of knowledge. If we compare ourselves with the existence, our knowledge is very much limited. Our mind is also limited. So what our born is very much limited. The thought process is also very much limited. Our senses are limited. Hence, whatever may be our knowledge on any subject, those knowledge itself is limited. So, it is very easy to conclude that we cannot be authoritative on any matter. But we claim that we are authority on life. Nobody can be an authority from the spiritual point of view. Now, what does the spiritual wisdom say? Spiritual wisdom is common to all. We consider that all the human beings are equal. The spiritual wisdom treats all the human beings as same. They have equal participation as far as life is concerned. If one becomes authoritative, what happens? Let us see. People are ready to kill their fellow human beings. Even in animal kingdom, this does not happen. In extreme cases, animals kill the other animals. But in our day-to-day life, it is very common. People don't hesitate to kill others. Even after killing, we claim that we are civilized. We have enough and enormous knowledge about many subjects and so on. This is the status of the human beings. Except self-knowledge, all the other things are given importance. Hence, we don't consider others as our fellow human beings. Out of this, corruption is also born. So, if you are to free from authority, we have to observe our own thought process, our own mind. We are existing as all the others are existing. So we have only equal participation. But the present day system, the self is given the utmost importance. Because of that, we think that we are the first and all the others are secondary. Due to this, lots of confusion is created. Authority is born out of inner poverty and absence of spiritual wisdom. That's why spiritual wisdom is to be promoted. Out of spiritual wisdom, only goodness will happen. We are born to experience life. Life is the most marvelous opportunity given by the nature. It has been given very freely. Life is not given so that we proclaim our superiority over others. It seems that we are born to dominate others. Why do we want to dominate others? It is spiritual darkness. Spiritual wisdom says that in each and every human being, divine aspect is there. Not only in human beings, but the whole existence represents divinity. To go beyond authority, we have to observe our own thought process. We have to observe our own day-to-day life. Human beings are not required to kill the other fellow human beings. It is barbaric. We are claiming that we are civilized. But still now we are faced with dowry problems, dowry related deaths. We have already released a video on this title, how to be free from dowry related deaths. Still it is happening. People have not grown inwardly rich. They want to become outwardly rich, but inner aspects are totally neglected. That's why we are emphasizing that spiritual knowledge is to be spread everywhere. It must be given the highest importance. If we give importance to spiritual knowledge, we will have a better society, a good society. We will not be wasting our energy in tackling negative energies of life. So to have a better humanity and better days, spiritual knowledge is very much needed. Spiritual knowledge is very simple. It is only to know about ourselves, to understand about our own thought process, to understand about our desires, to understand about our mental faculty. Perhaps it is the most important subject ever in the world, but it has been neglected. Nowhere it has been taught. We are taught about other things except self-knowledge. So, in our standpoint, self-knowledge is the utmost important aspect of life. So, let us have self-knowledge and be free from authority. Once again, we will come up with another one video describing another aspect of life.